think. Let's just go through it. So I was going to pick individual students' results out and go through that. But instead of doing that, what I'm going to do is just go through the full paper and you'll realize your mistakes anyways. Let's start. Very first one, factorize expression for this. That just means factorize, obviously. What kind of expression is this? This would be a difference of two squares. Because it's a difference of two squares, it would be b take away 4c, b plus 4c. Nice and simple, 2 marks. Or actually, that's only 1 mark. Sorry. Which graph best represents y equals 1 on x plus 1? All right, what family is this from? That's what I would think of. So what would this be called? This is a hyperbola. Then when I think of it's a hyperbola, I look at all these graphs, yet that doesn't really help, but I know it's a positive hyperbola. So I know definitely the answer is not C. That's a negative hyperbola. Then, if it's x plus 1, you know the domain is everything except x being negative 1, because if x was negative 1, negative 1 plus 1 is 0, you can't have 0 in the denominator. So now you know the asymptote is at x equals negative 1, which looks like it's a, that's at positive 1, so that's wrong. That is at negative 2, that's definitely wrong. So the answer can only be A. Another way to think about it is if you know it's a hyperbola, if you guys remember, if it's attached to the x, we can move the hyperbola all to the left 1, showing this exact same thing. So there's an asymptote usually here. Frozen? Is it frozen for anybody else? What about now? Disconnected now. Reconnect. Check if it works. Connecting, Ethan? What's happening?